Hi class. So today we're going to be learning about how to use the app Kleiki to edit our photos. So what I'm going to do first, and this is a part that I can help you guys with because it's a little bit tricky, but we're going to go to import, and then you're going to import your new picture that you took. So I'm just going to use an example picture. I'm going to upload this one as image. There we go. So now I have the picture that I'm going to edit. So all that we're going to be doing today is using the little painting feature of this app. So we're going to go back over to the little paintbrush over here, click on that, and then you're basically going to be able to use it like you would be using a normal paintbrush or a normal marker in school. You're going to select your color over here on the right side. So over here, you see how this little dot is all the way in the corner? That means it's black. You can see that the little dot is in the bottom left corner. So that means it is selected as black. So if I want a color, I'm going to have to move it all the way up. You can either make it a light color or you can make it a brighter color red. And you can see the color kind of shows down here. And then you can choose if you want yellow, green, blue, just by sliding this thing around. And you can kind of choose different colors. It's up to you what you want to do, okay? So the other thing that we need to do when we're doing when we're drawing over our images is we're going to have to choose a size. So if you make it too big, you're going to see that that circle gets really big and it's going to be too hard to draw. So we want to make sure that our size is all the way down here. It can be really small. That's all you need. And then you're just going to start drawing. So remember to make sure you have the right color you want. And I'm just going to start drawing. I'm going to kind of draw like a little creature that's going to be under the waterfall here. Remember that we're drawing fantasy creatures, right? And then if you want to zoom in, you can just click that little plus button and it'll help you zoom in a little bit. I want to do a little smiley face on him. And then I'm going to select another color by going back over to the color part. And I'm going to draw a body on him. Just like that. And I want him to have some wings. So I want to make those wings white. So I'm just going to take this little circle over here and drag it all the way over to the white that's up in the corner, right? And I'm going to draw some wings. Have them kind of come out this way. On the other side too. There we go. If you want to add anything else, I might add some lightning just because I want some lightning in the corner. I meant to make that yellow, but that's okay. Drag it back over. And if you make a mistake like I just did, you can do the little undo arrow right here. Undo. I'm going to make it yellow. It's a little bit more green. Do some lightning over here. And there we have our final picture. I'm going to zoom out. We have our final picture. All right, guys, good luck.